if alpha beta not equal to 0 and fn is equal to alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n, and value of determinant 3, 1 plus f1, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f1, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f3, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f3, 1 plus f4 is equal to k 1 minus alpha square, 1 minus beta square, alpha minus beta square. Then k is equal to, first option is 1, second option is minus 1, third option is alpha beta, and fourth one is 1 by alpha beta. Now come to the solution of this question. This question is based on product of determinant. Solution will be as follows. Since fn is equal to alpha to the power n plus beta to the power n, therefore 3, 1 plus f1, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f1, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f3, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f3, 1 plus f4 equals 1 plus 1 plus 1. This 3 is written as 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now f1 is alpha plus beta, so this is 1 plus alpha plus beta. f2 is alpha square plus beta square, so this is 1 plus alpha square beta square. Similarly, the other terms are 1 plus alpha plus beta, 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube, 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube, and 1 plus alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. This can be expressed as product of two determinants. See, for this 1 1 1 we write 1 1 1 1 1 1. For this 1 alpha beta, this is first row and second column. First row is already defined 1 1 1, so second column is 1 alpha beta. This is first row, third column. First row is already defined, so third column is 1 alpha square beta square. Similarly, we can write its second row as 1 alpha beta, and this is at 1 alpha square beta square. This yields 1 1 1 1 alpha beta 1 alpha square beta square whole square. When we simplify this, we get it as 1 minus alpha 1 minus beta alpha minus beta whole square. It is due to the fact that 1 1 1 a b c a square b square c square. This is very simple question. This is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. So we can use this determinant straightforward here. This is 1 minus alpha square, 1 minus beta square, alpha minus beta square. Now compare this to given question. You will find that in the given question there is a k. In the given question there is a k. So value of this k is 1. Hence k is equal to 1 is the solution of this question. For the solution of next question, please move to our next video. Thank you.